All right, what's up everybody? Today I'm in the kitchen about to make a pan pizza. One of my favorite things to bake is pizza, and I love to eat pizza. So now I'm gonna teach you how to make it on my new favorite appliance, my new FORNO oven. Thank you, FORNO, for sending these amazing appliances. It has saved my life, and I love this thing. And I'm also gonna tell you a little bit about it as I cook along. So I'm basically gonna make the best pizza in the world, crab and bacon pizza with the toppings of baby bella mushrooms. I have some jalapenos here, some red onions, and I'm gonna throw some garlic on top of there as well. I have a whole pack of bacon here that I'm gonna slice up, and it's way easier if you cut your bacon while it's cold. This just came out of the fridge, so it's slicing really easy. So this looks like a lot of bacon, but it's gonna cook down, fry down. So we're gonna just uncrumble it and turn my pot on here. I love the BTUs on this stove. 18,000 to be exact on the bigger burner. Especially in this price range, you can get a FORNO stove oven for 1,300 bucks. I mean, you can't even get a stainless steel oven stove combo for that price. These are unbeatable. Affordable luxury is their thing, and they're killing it. So check them out. Lowe's and Home Depot, they're selling everywhere, so get you one. Gotta slice these. All right, so the pot is hot. I'm gonna get all my bacon in. And right at the end, I'm gonna get all my crab meat in there as well. I'm gonna slice my garlic. Sometimes when you want a substantial bite of garlic on what you're eating, I love to slice it, because sometimes mincing it can get lost. It's funny how I found FORNO too. I actually bought an oven for my other kitchen. Immediately after my order went through, I received a call from FORNO, like a live call, which tell me what company calls you right after to confirm your order, to let you know that if the product gets to your house damaged in any way, send it right back to them. The greatest customer service ever. So right there on the spot, I told them I was a chef and I'm looking to, you know, get appliances for my kitchen studio. Immediately, Pina over at FORNO, thank you so much, Pina. She sent it to Jack and Richard, who hooked me up with a brand new stove, oven, dishwasher, and this beautiful fridge. So the rest is history. I love this company, and you will be hearing a lot about them. Chris, what do you think? Should I go raw jalapeno on the topping or kind of saute it?
I think you should saute it with the...
All right, you got it. My guy Chris knows how to cook too, so not only does he shoot and edit these things and do everything else for them, he's also like, what would you say, my camera sous chef? I refer to you as...
Something like that.
What do you think this will taste like? It's just us two in here, so. Save a little bit of that bacon grease to get my mushrooms in the pot. Let that cook in, saute in the bacon grease. Don't get rid of that. Everything goes in, literally all we want. Putting all of this on the same pot with the bacon. It's eventually gonna go back in when I saute that crab. Because for the crab, I'm gonna get some butter in there, yes. There's a few things that I just live by, and butter and crab is one, because I feel like the butter just opens up that crab so well. I have some blue lump crab here, which is stunning. Get a little bit of chili flakes in there, some basil, some oregano. Quick, quick, quick. And yes, I'm keeping seeds on, because around here we like spice. If you don't like spice, take the seeds out. And now guess what? The baby mama coming back. Now it is time. My pizza crust has been sitting here. I'm gonna get some flour down here. I wish you could feel how soft this is. Hear that? And then roll it out. All those bubbles forming, that's what we want. It's beautiful. All right, and now I'm gonna preheat my oven. I love this thing because it also only takes about 2 to 3 minutes to actually heat up, which is incredible. It's a little trick my brother does when he makes pizza. Season the bottom of the pan with a little bit of red chili flakes, some granulated garlic, and a little bit of basil. All right, so we are going to lay in. That's great. All right, we got sauce. Crushed tomatoes that I had stored away. We're going right on the pan, right on the pizza. I have a mixture here of mozzarella and Monterey Jack. It's a good blend for pizzas that I like. There we go. Topping, oh my gosh. That's it. This is gonna go in the oven. All right, so when I tell you that I literally waited 3 minutes for this thing to get up to 400 degrees, it's unreal. I love that it has this temperature gauge here that tells you how hot your oven is, and it's way more accurate than any of those electric ones. This is up at 400 degrees. I'm gonna place this in. This oven is equipped with a highly efficient convection fan, accelerating cook time and distributing heat evenly. Therefore, cooking time could be up to 20% faster. And that's stunning. Oh yes. Perfect. Stunning. Can't find my pizza slicer, so this is how we're doing it today. You hear that crunch though? Oh my gosh. What is this? But I'm not done yet. Basil. Gotta have the fresh basil. Yes. And even though there are jalapenos, gotta have the chili flakes. I am ready. Hot. Let me go side. Oh my God, I'll risk it all for hot pizza. Burn my mouth. That blue crab and bacon and the garlic. Do you see all the seasonings on here? The basil, the bacon, the crab. Cooked to perfection. I've done roast chickens, I've done roast, I've done pizzas. Everything in this oven comes out incredible. And I'm just so grateful to FORNO. I love you. Sending you love, Jack and Richard. Pina, everyone at FORNO. Go check out FORNO appliances, fridges and dishwashers and stoves and ovens and wine coolers, everything, you name it. So more to come. I'm gonna finish this pizza and I'll see you next time. God dang, get me a brewski.